I would say that innovative engineering and technology is almost key to what we do at Heesen. To start off with, Dutch yacht builders are renowned for their high-quality engineering and build methods. When it comes to innovation, well, this is key for Heesen. As an aluminium builder, you need to be a high-tech factory to begin with. And if you look back at our history, we've embarked on some very high-tech projects. Back in the 80s, we built Octopussy. At the time, she was the fastest motor yacht in the world with speeds of over 50 knots. We are the first shipyard to embrace new hull design technology, particularly the fast displacement hull form, which we now use across many of our yachts that we're building. We're also one of the first yards, if not the first yard, I think, to use the hull vane, which was put on Motor Yacht Alive. This is a bit like the aerofoil on a Formula One race car. It improves the efficiency of the yacht and gives you about another 30% of additional range when it's fitted. Hybrid, we are one of the first shipyards to embrace hybrid technology. We have built home and we're now today delivering Electra. Both yachts have hybrid propulsion systems. And bringing you right up to date, at the moment we're building the 80-metre Cosmos, where we've developed the patented backbone technology in order to maintain rigidity in such a long yacht, which also has very high power loads with her 4 big MTU engines and close to 30 knots top speed. These are high-tech yachts. That's always a great question. Of course, being a Northern European shipyard, we have to do our sea trials in the North Sea, which is one of the roughest and less hospitable oceans in the world. So all our yachts are rigorously tested in the North Sea conditions. If they can cope with conditions there, well, I'd like to think they can cope with anything. Well, all interiors are customizable to one degree or another. To a large extent, it depends when an owner enters into the project. If they enter into the build at a very early stage, then there's a great deal more freedom for owners to fully develop the interior. If they enter in at the last stage, well, that's a little bit more tricky, but we do try to engineer our yachts so that we can keep this as flexible as possible. There's also, of course, still the obligation or the requirement to purchase the loose furniture and loose fittings, and they can have a huge impact on how the interior works. Having said that, I'd like to think that owners like our designs. In any case, we do work with top international designers, so we would like to think that they are good designs from the beginning. Additionally, we have the advantage of having our own in-house joinery department, Heesen Yachts Interiors, so we can much better control the production of an interior, which is a little bit more difficult if you're working with subcontractors that have perhaps more rigid timetables. Well, the biggest advantage to the owner of a yacht for on-spec construction is, of course, the security of knowing what you're going to get and when you're going to get it. If you're building more than one yacht to the same design, then of course you know what the performance of the boat is going to be. We know what its speed, what its range, what its noise characteristics will be. And then secondly, the big advantage is that owners know exactly when they're going to get their yacht. We start building boats on speculation, and when we start, we know exactly what the delivery date will be. So that's an element of security for an owner. From our point of view, there is the efficient use of our production capacity. We can more accurately plan our future production if we know what yachts we're building into the future. The disadvantage, of course, is that to embark on this program does require solid company finances, which fortunately that's one thing we do have at Heesen Yachts. Well, if we start with aluminium, because that's really what Heesen has become famous for, aluminium is of course a much lighter weight material than steel, and as a result it enables you to build lighter yachts, which equals faster, higher speed yachts. It also can be used in traditional displacement yachts, and then the lighter weight brings advantages of fuel consumption, smaller engines, lower noise, and various ecological advantages. The disadvantage of it does require skilled, expert metal workers to weld in aluminium. On the other hand, steel, in the late 80s we started building more traditional steel displacement yachts as well, and of course steel is the traditional shipbuilding material. It's very robust, it's reliable, it's heavier, so produces heavier weight displacement yachts, possibly more suitable for extended ocean cruising or even high latitude explorer style yachts. Well, that's an interesting question. Heesen offers a lot of advantages over other shipyards. Some of them are, for instance, our contemporary and modern designs. We are still the world leader in aluminium fast yachts. Next, we specialise in a popular sector of the market, building yachts from 50 metres up to 80 metres. And then we also offer a variety of different models. There's the semi-custom built on speculation yachts, which offer fast delivery, and owners know what they're going to get. There's our full custom range. About half of what we do is building full custom one-off yachts for owners. And then there's the sort of mixture between the two, where an owner can take one of our existing pre-engineered and designed platform yachts and customize it substantially to their own requirements. We've done that quite a lot. For instance, Galvas was one of the yachts we built that was based on our 55-metre platform.